Welcome aboard QuizPassport Flight QP013 to Brazil. Before we land, we'll put you through real situations. Many travelers don't expect their first time here, how people really pay, how Carnival actually works, and why following a map isn't always the safest choice. Some are confusing, some are awkward. A few can actually change your trip. Stick with us till landing, and you'll arrive prepared, not guessing. Let's pack your clothes first. Quick reality check. What's Brazil's weather actually like? A. Cold everywhere. B. Same seasons as Europe. C. It changes a lot by region. D. It never rains. Answer is C. Brazil is massive, so weather really depends on where you're going. Rio, the Amazon, and the South can feel totally different in the same month. Grab your itinerary and double-check exactly where you'll be in Brazil. Pack for your region, not the whole country, and travel gets much easier. You're about to land. What language should you expect people to speak in Brazil? A. Spanish. B. Portuguese. C. English. D. French. Answer is B. Brazil is the only country in South America where Portuguese is spoken. Spanish often doesn't work, but trying a few Portuguese words goes a long way. Let's start simple. Repeat after me.
Bom dia.
Good job. Even this one phrase can completely change an interaction. You've just landed and need data. What can surprise travelers about buying a SIM at major airports in Brazil? A. Cash only. B. Locals only. C. It can be harder than expected. D. It works in one city. Answer is C. Some airport SIM booths won't process passports or take a long time. The smart move is having an eSIM ready or buying one in the city. Don't rely on airport counters if data is important to you. You meet someone new on day one. What kind of greeting is common in Brazil? A. A hug or cheek kiss. B. Light touch only. C. Firm handshake. D. Bowing politely. Answer is A. Brazilians are generally warm and expressive. Hugs or cheek kisses are common, even with people you've just met. If you're not sure what to do, don't overthink it. Just pause for a second and follow their lead. Time for your first meal. What usually surprises visitors about Brazilian food? A. It's spicy. B. Very limited. C. Restaurants close early. D. Portions are generous. Answer is D. Portions in Brazil are often big and meant to be shared. Ordering one dish for the table is totally normal, especially at lunch. Our honest advice: start small, unless you're really confident about your appetite. You've enjoyed your lunch? What's the most common way locals pay in Brazil? A. Mobile transfers. B. Credit cards. C. Cash only. D. Traveler's checks. Answer is A. Brazil runs on PIX, an instant mobile payment system, and it's fast. Locals use it everywhere, even with street vendors and beach sellers. As a visitor, you'll usually stick to cards or cash, since Pix requires a Brazilian bank account. But it's fun to see how smoothly everything moves. The bill arrives. What's tipping usually like in Brazil? A. Mandatory everywhere. B. Not expected. C. Considered rude. D. Usually included. Answer is D. Many restaurants already include a 10% service charge. Check the receipt so you don't tip twice. Extra tipping can leave a great impression, but it's not required. Totally okay to skip it if you're watching your budget. You're planning a day trip. Which natural attraction is one of Brazil's most famous? A. Iguazu Falls. B. Sahara Dunes. C. Niagara Falls. D. Mount Fuji. Answer is A. Iguazu Falls sits on the border with Argentina and is huge. It's made up of hundreds of waterfalls surrounded by rainforests. Photos don't capture how powerful it feels in person. You hear Rio Carnival. It happens every year around February. What surprises most first-time visitors about Rio Carnival? A. It's small. B. It's nightlife only. C. Parties happen all over the city. D. It's just one parade. Answer is C. Rio Carnival isn't just one parade. Street parties take place across many neighborhoods, often during the day. Planning where you stay and how you move around really matters. If you can be in Brazil around Carnival, we'd say don't miss it. It's a special time to be there. Alright, let me flag something important here. You're walking while using Google Maps. Why can following a marked route be risky in Rio? A. Maps don't work near beaches. B. Routes can lead into favela entrances. C. Streets change direction. D. Maps don't update in real time. Answer is B. Some paths look totally normal on maps, but aren't meant for tourists. We know, it sounds a bit crazy, doesn't it? But trust us, this really happens in Brazil. Stairways or hillside routes can quietly lead you somewhere you didn't plan to go. Stick to busy routes, official entrances, and if something feels off, turn back. Alright, quick pause. Take a moment and count your score. Don't worry, this isn't a test. If a few questions surprised you, that's exactly the point. Ready? Let's see how you're landing in Brazil. 0 to 3, you are a lost tourist. Okay, you're landing with questions. Totally fine. Brazil is huge, and now you know what to watch for. 4 to 6, you are a backpacker. You've got the basics down, a little curiosity, a little instinct, you'll be just fine. 7 to 9, you are an insider. This is solid. You understand the rhythm, food, movement, culture. You're traveling with the country, not against it. 10 out of 10, you are a Brazil scholar. You're landing confident, prepared, and ahead of the curve.
And if you got a perfect 10, don't go anywhere. We've got a bonus round coming up with deeper cultural moments most tourists never notice. If you miss a few, stay anyway. This is where travel gets interesting. And if you want to go deeper, we've got Brazil guides waiting for you on our blog.
The bonus round, Cultural Master Mode. You're walking through a local festival, maybe Festa Junina. You spot a woman in a big, beautiful white dress. What is this traditional dress called? A. Flamenco dress. B. Carnival parade outfit. C. Samba school costume. D. Baiana dress. Answer is D. This is the Baiana dress, and it's not just clothing. You'll see it a lot in Bahia, at festivals, religious ceremonies, and even at food stalls selling acarajé. It's worn with pride and history behind it. So if you see someone dressed like this, that's not a tourist costume, that's culture being honored. You're staying in an Airbnb, you come back at night and the door is locked. What might you actually need to do to get inside? A. Show your passport to neighbors. B. Call security to unlock the door. C. Scan a QR code in the elevator. D. Pay an entry fee. Answer is B. Here's the thing, Brazil isn't one safety level. It changes by city, neighborhood, sometimes even street. So a lot of apartment buildings have locked gates and security. That means every time you come back, you might need to press a button and talk to security. And yeah, if you don't speak Portuguese, this can get awkward fast. So before you book, message your host. How do I enter if I don't speak Portuguese? That one question saves so much stress. You're booking something online in Brazil, and suddenly it asks for a CPF. What is a CPF? A. A local tax ID number. B. A tourist visa code. C. A train ticket type. D. SIM registration. Answer is A. Brazil has a local tax ID called a CPF, and some websites ask for it. Everyone has one, but you don't, and suddenly you can't book tickets, services, or even some domestic flights. You're not doing anything wrong, the system is just built for locals first. So use platforms that accept passports, or ask your hotel or host for the easiest option. Locals know the shortcuts. Did you nail the bonus round? Let's go. You've earned the golden passport stamp and unlocked cultural master status. This means one thing: you're not just visiting Brazil, you're ready for it.
And if this quiz just made you think, okay, I actually want to go now, we can help turn that feeling into a real trip. Next Friday, Flight QP014 takes off for China at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next QuizPassport flight.
We're starting our descent into Brazil. Thanks for flying QuizPassport. Keep your curiosity packed. The next destination boards soon. See you on our next flight. And remember, the smiles of a few can change the hearts of many. Keep smiling.